Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are showing you how we can uh, use Microsoft Excel and VBA and automation and using Outlook incoming messages. They can turn into a command to the dashboard, and they can, for example, let's do. An example is that 5 days backlog clearance is the transaction which was last performed on 19th of October, right? If I click here, so it will generate, but I want to do it remotely. Okay, so I get to go to uh, my Gmail account. Okay, I pass on and statement command to the dashboard, right? I go to the sent mail. In the sent mail, I have this backlog clearance template, right? So I execute 5 days clearance. Okay, so what we do here is we edit the subject and we remove all the unwanted things here, and we are now passing a command. So this way we are sending an email command to the dashboard, right, to clear my 5 days backlog on this. Okay, so the user is sending. So when the sends it, it will land in directly to the right folder, because there are rule setting if such a email comes with a predefined format of the mm, subject, etc., and body. So it will reach in here. It has reached. Now the Excel will take the charge of it, and will with this 19 will become 20, and 5 days backlog has been cleared. Yeah, this is 5 days backlog has been cleared, right? Okay, and the response of to the request is being written, and it is being sent to the user, right? So if you go to the inbox, and you will see in the inbox, you will see that the dashboard. Okay, so sometimes there are delays, and the message is received. Okay, it's okay. It took 3 to 4 minutes to reach sometimes. Okay, no problem. The next thing is that we do one thing, that we say that take a backup of my the user can also take his backup, right? So this is a feature that allows the users to take their own set of backups of their own record, right? So so we do this, and we say take the backup. So this command will be executed by the dashboard automatically, and a new set of backup will be created, and the list will be shown. In response to this request, you will get a new message coming here, and they will tell you that how many backups have you already uh, requested, and those backups are available for restoring, right? So let's see. So it has gone to the email, and now yeah, the action taken by the dashboard, and it will be responded back to the user that your backup has been done. Your backup request has been actioned. So it's publishing. Yeah, it's now writing, and it is now creating and composing an email response to give the request to the user, and will tell you that your how many backups you have which you can restore. Okay. So let's wait. The email should come. The dashboard has done his part, and the Outlook has also done the task. Means it has sent to the sender of the request, that and telling you that your request for backup has been actioned, and backups which are currently available for restoring are mentioned below. So which are the backups which are, and at the time of backup, this was the status, and which backups are available for you for your restoring at this. So 21st of October is appearing in here that you have got these backups. Okay, so this should reach to the user. So sometimes there are delay, so no problem. So it will come, and you will see in the inbox of the user, you will have this email displayed. Okay, so these are the two things that the users can make their own backup and restoring of their own. They do not need any admin to take there, so it's empowerment of the users that they can do it of their own. And how about the the backup of the entire database? If that is sought, then you are going to uh, set up a setting. We in the setting we have mentioned this place, right? Say daily backup of the database, including all the users and the image. So that is going to be scheduled for some day. For example, we say on 11:35 instead of 11 in we give a different 11:40, 37. Say 11:37. 11:37. Okay. So what would happen that the system will automatically do it, and we go to the, for example, here in the backup. These are the backups. You will see uh, today's backup will get created as soon as the system uh, executes it, the backup, right? So we have the last backup created was 16th of October, right? Now we want daily on a given date, the time which is set, so that backup should be created on daily basis, right? So as soon as the system uh, finds it, it is already 11:37. Now the system will create the backup, and you will see the new image of the backup created in here. Let's press F5 to refresh. As soon as it is done, you will see a new address, a new folder with a proper date, that is 21st of October. It will be created right here. Okay, this is 11A, 37 is already done. One thing we can do that we put a breakpoint to show that if how it works, right? We will we will put a breakpoint in here and see that if that is greater than 0 and tm2 is less than, say, or equal to 90, say equal to, okay, so we give a margin so that this is created, right? So this is what the logic it is doing, that it is checking if the time which has been marked in here in the sheet, that is 11:37, and the time which whatever is now, so if the difference in seconds is less than or equal to 90, then it can go ahead and do this. Okay, so this time it is going to create the backup immediately. Okay, so you will see a new folder appearing here after 15, 16. Now 21st folder will be created in here. Okay, so let me, yeah, yeah. So let's okay, we execute it, we press F8. So this time it is going to, yeah, it's going to execute it, and it is going to generate the file, the zip file of the database, and that will be created. So you will see that it's 21st of October file backup of the database has been created just right now. Right? This is how is the logic, that the entire backup, the entire database can be backed up on a given uh, time, on a set of time which you give the given time which you have mentioned that you want the backup to be created daily on this time. Okay, so it will get created on daily basis, right? So uh, so there are two backups facility. One is for the users. Users can send the emails. Users can send the emails and have the system do the backup for them, and so that later on they may decide to restore to a to a certain set of data which they have already backed up. And above all, we have the complete set of backup facilities available, and that is being done automatically. Even the admin don't have to do it. As soon as the time mentioned in here it is done, the entire backup image is dumped into this folder, right? So day by day you will see, every day, for every day you will have a backup like this, and it will be done automatically. Right? I hope you enjoyed this session in which we learned that how you can automate the admin work of taking the backup of the daily routine of the daily routine backup to be done automatically. Thank you very much for watching.